Hello everyone, Shine TV has some exciting news to share. Liangmai Katinah Ruangdi Delhi is hosting a very special event and it's open to everyone. We're screening Liangmai's first ever thriller film, CHALAD, The Weight of Words, with English subtitles on the 28th of June at 3 p.m. at Nagaland House, New Delhi. And there's more. You'll also enjoy live performances by amazing Liangmai artists such as Tasikam, with Thompson, Maiton, KD, and Jesse, plus Tambola, a bookstall, and a very special menu to wrap up the day. It's all in support of a fun drive. It's going to be a very great mix of culture, entertainment, and community. Tickets are out now. To book online, simply scan the QR code on the poster. Once you've done that, once you've paid, send your confirmation to 6379181709 and we'll send you your ticket. If you prefer a physical one, you can simply reach out to any of the LKRD executive members on the numbers on the poster. We'd love to see you there. Bring your friends and family too. Mahina wibama de chibamla. Matthew Link Wibo Zampao Shine TV Lam Supong Wang Kaye. Wangkin bo June 28 Nai Liang Mai gu right 2 bo Zaming. Zaming Zan Yusai Chalat gu Parip. Hai se thriller movie ye English subtitles di bamme. Hai se Liang Mai Katinah Ruangdi Delhi nyo Ngaulen Khaira Marangkai bamme. Pabam Yusai Nagaland House New Delhi Pawan New 3 p.m. gahaune. Mahina naliugupuan kung bo pipa wang kailo si bonai si tslui kam si mai tslui tiu si mai di wang tiu kai sune sirona mage tiui bo sakui bo di kabagzan muruizan item kings yu kaden kai ba me hai kumbo paman kungbo kawibo chamrang LKRD new mahina leng rang kai bambo hai paliu tu kha kai bo kumziu mau magziu wang padam lu khai ra din khai ye. Ticket online ganyudi lukai suye sigasu LKRD executive members Maiku ganyudi daulune. Matthew Tsunwi Chamra Matthew tu Wangkhaira Kukaye. Thank you.